All right, so the flooring is not drying. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna isolate that subflooring to make sure that it dries within the next day or two. So what that means is we gotta clear the space, we gotta cover it with 6 mil plastic. We're gonna cover the whole floor. We're gonna staple the perimeter and glue it and duct tape it. We're gonna keep it nice and neat. We don't want the blower blowing out this plastic overnight. You want to keep it as tight as possible so the plastic's not flapping around too much and making too much noise. It could get pretty annoying overnight when the client's trying to sleep. As you can see, we stapled it and then we're spray glued it and doing some duct tape around the perimeter. We want it nice and tight and clean. What we want to do is we don't want to completely seal the other end. We want to leave a couple of areas for the airflow to vent out from so it doesn't blow the plastic out. Stuck the blower right in there. I'm turning it on to see how it looks, and there we go. That was a little flap, so we're gonna fix that. We're taping up only that one side because we want the airflow coming out of that other end to shoot under that fridge to the space behind it because there's still a little bit of elevated moisture levels back there. So we have hot, dry air blowing from the dehumidifier into that blower, and the blower is shooting it directly on that subflooring. And the airflow is coming out from the end to the right towards the back of the fridge. And we'll put another blower here on the right just to send some airflow towards those cabinets. That's pretty much it. Plastic's not flapping around. It's clean, quiet. That's it. I mean, the client's not going to be able to go in the kitchen for a day or two, but at least their subflooring will be salvaged. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe.